I was walking across my yard one day and I saw this flickering in the grass, and I walked over to it and I saw this insect or whatever it was. Looked like it was struggling to try to make, fly away. I've never seen this before, and so I Googled it, and it turned out that it was a Luna moth. And after reading this description of what it was and what it meant to find one in your yard, I was quite amazed. I said, well, I don't believe in like bad luck and things like that, but I thought this was quite interesting. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new here, I hope you click that subscribe button, and welcome to the family. I haven't been up to too much lately, but I just noticed that, my plant in the dining room, the ZZ plant, was looking a little bit meek. So I don't know if you noticed, but I put some feathers inside just to kind of give it that little fluff and stuff to make it look a little bit better. And I also added a different mirror in this corner. The gold other one that was up there was kind of small, but then I found this one that I had in my stash. So I said, well, I'll go ahead and put that one to use in that spot. It kind of pays to have a stash of mirrors lingering around. So again, just get what you love, because you never know where and when you'll use it. And in my other guest room, I'm just noticing how my plants are flourishing. And I happened to turn this one around because you have to rotate them. And I couldn't believe how full it had gotten by being faced towards the window. So these are all doing very, very well. But I had one particular plant in here that I was having a problem with, and I couldn't figure it out. So I moved it to the kitchen, and that was a bonsai. While it was in the other room, the leaves just kept dropping off, and I had it placed near the window, but it was a little down, so it wasn't direct sun. But I moved it to this window in the kitchen, and it just started all of a sudden just flourishing again. So I was thrilled about that. Now, this is my first time growing a bonsai, so I'm experimenting with it. I found it on sale on a clearance rack for, I think it was $10. So I said, well, it's worth $10 to give it a try. And so far it is doing great. I'm just curious, have you ever grown a bonsai before? And if so, did you find it difficult, or did you have any special treatment for it? I'm curious about it, so let me know in the comment. And next week I'll be back with another Thrift With Me video. But in the meantime, thank you again for tuning in. And always remember, beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you like this video, and if so, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I'll see you again.